Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another powerful weight loss tea video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this powerful turmeric detox tea cleanse. And this is going to help you to lose 10 pounds in 14 days. Now the first thing that we're going to be using in this is a piece of ginger. Okay? Next we're going to be using some coriander seeds. Awesome. Then we're going to be using that powerful turmeric powder. If you have regular turmeric root, that's good too. And we're going to be using some honey to sweeten it. Now you're going to need at least 1 liter of water for this. And you're going to need a pan. So to start this off, we're going to start and put our water into our pan and put it on a low to medium flame. Now you're going to take your ginger root and de-skin it. Next, what you're going to need to do is either chop it and mince it, or you can use a grater and grate it. This way you get all of the wonderful juices from your ginger root. I recommend that you use a better grater than that one, okay? But now that we got all of our ginger root in the water, we're going to be using our coriander seeds now. Next, we're going to use 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds and put that also into our pot of water. Next, we're going to get our turmeric powder, and we're going to put at least 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into our water. Now we're going to mix that well, and we're going to let it stay on the stove for at least 10 minutes on a low to medium simmer. Okay, our tea is finished boiling, so now I'm going to turn the flame off and let it cool for at least 5 minutes. Now you're going to get your favorite mug, and we're going to strain this into our mug. So you're going to need a strainer. Now since this tea is still a little hot, I'm going to allow this to cool down a little bit. I want to sweeten it with the honey, and it's best that you allow it to cool before putting the honey in. And that's it, you guys. You're going to sweeten it to taste, and then after that you have a wonderful, powerful detox cleanse that's going to get rid of all of the toxins in your body. It's going to make you go to the bathroom. It is a diuretic, so you will be peeing a lot. Okay, and getting rid of toxins that way. This is wonderful. You will be shedding the pounds in no time. You can make this in the morning as well as in the evening or afternoon, but just know that you're supposed to drink plenty of water and eat a healthy meal with it. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video.
Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.